Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about 7 real ways to instantly feel happier. These 7 things really work and they make a big difference in the way you feel. And like almost all of the tips on my channel, these tips are instant. So if you like instant gratification like many of us and like real tangible things to do, then consider subscribing to my channel down below. If you take 2 seconds to subscribe, YouTube will promote this video and then more and more people will feel happy. Oh, and one more thing, even though these 7 tips are instant, I want you to actually stay until the very end because I do have a final thought, but it's really thought-provoking, and I think it'll just kind of close out the video really well and kind of give you something to really think about, and it really might change your perspective on everything. The very first tip I have for you is to declutter. So this isn't exactly the most fun tip, but it really yields amazing results. Just suck it up and do it. Declutter the room that you spend the very most time in. So that could be your bedroom, that could be your living room, maybe your kitchen, it could be a couple rooms. Just make it a game and try to get as much clutter out of the room as possible. I like to do what's called the 10-minute tidy. Just set a timer for 10 minutes and clean as fast as you can for 10 minutes and you'll be shocked at how much you get done. Once you're finished, sit down, take a look around, and I promise you, you will instantly feel happier, refreshed, and not so bogged down with stuff. Just try it out and let me know what you think. The second tip I have for you guys is called a gratitude journal. And I'm sure some of you may have heard of this, but a lot of you might not have. I just really love this tip because it really makes you appreciate what you have. And in turn, you do instantly feel happier. So go to Target, go to Walmart, anywhere, and just pick up a really nice notebook. Who doesn't love fresh notebooks and stationery? I mean, that alone makes me happy. But anyways, put it beside your bed, and every night before you go to bed, write down 3 things that you are thankful for. It really could be anything. It could be something that made you happy that day, something sweet that your kids said, a good memory, maybe someone you really appreciate, maybe something you're very happy to have. Anything. It really could be anything. Be creative. Even just writing those things down is an instant mood booster, but it also has really long-term effects. So anytime you're feeling down or sad, just go get that notebook and start reading through your gratitude journal, and you'll be feeling better in no time. Number 3 is to buy an experience, not something material. So if you watch my channel, you might know that I do have a semi-materialistic channel. It's just kind of my niche. I collect designer handbags, I show a lot of clothes and hauls, and I style things for you guys. But at the end of the day, none of that matters. Truly, none of it matters. Retail therapy really can be fun, and honestly, I do enjoy it. But I'm telling you that an experience with yourself or your family is so much better. So instead of going out and buying a new outfit, a new purse, pair of shoes, just think of something fun to do for yourself, or maybe with your husband, wife, a close friend, your kids, a family member. It could be anything. I really love traveling, but obviously that does require some planning. So it could even just be going to the movies, going to the spa, getting your nails done, going to like a fondue restaurant, getting a massage, maybe going to a concert or a sports game, or maybe even like going on a hike or something outside. The list is seriously endless, and there's honestly something for every budget. So experiencing something fun, even if it is by yourself, instantly makes you feel happier and so much better than buying something materialistic and lifeless. So just start brainstorming, coming up with ideas, and make some plans. The next trick to instantly make you feel happier is to diffuse citrus or essential oils. My favorite diffuser is right over there. I move it around the house. I actually have several of them. I love it, and it's crazy how this can change and affect your mood. So how it works is quite interesting. So there's actually scent molecules that are shaped to fit the receptors in our brain. These trigger neuroendocrine responses that affect our mood, our energy levels, and our physiological reactions. Therefore, you really can instantly feel happier and less stressed. So my favorites for feeling happier is actually citrus or anything orange, lemon, but I also really love this Joy blend. It is by Young Living. I sell Young Living on the side. I've mentioned that a couple times in my videos, but I really love Joy. It is a blend of a lot of different things: bergamot, ylang-ylang, geranium, lemon, coriander, tangerine, jasmine, Roman chamomile, rose. It's actually known as the Blues Buster essential oil. People are obsessed with this thing, and I'm telling you, it really is an instant mood lifter. So you can diffuse it. You could actually just put a drop in your hands and actually just breathe it in. You could also put a few drops in your laundry, so whenever you're putting on your clothes, you get a little boost, a nice little scent. So if you are interested in purchasing any essential oil, I do have a little link down below that you can purchase from me. This is not sponsored, I promise you, but if you are interested in kind of trying out essential oils, they do have a starter kit, which I highly recommend. That's really what I recommend to everybody. It comes with a diffuser, but it does come with a lot of their other best-selling oils. I don't think it comes with Joy, but it does come with this Citrus Fresh, which is also really, really great. I also know that so many of you requested a full-blown video on all of the different ways that I use essential oils. It can be great for your regular health, your mental health, your house, your kids. There's just seriously so many things that you can use them for. So I just really want to make that video well thought out and really good. So that's why I haven't done it yet. I'm really kind of planning, but stay tuned. The next trick to instantly feel happier is to take 1 hour of me time every single day. I know we all have so many responsibilities. If you're a parent, then you're probably always taking care of your kids and your household, or maybe you don't have any kids and you're going to school and you're working long hours, or maybe you're just all of the above. And as hard as it may be, it's just so important to set everything aside for 1 hour every single day and do whatever the heck you want. You could surf the internet, you could watch a reality TV show, paint your nails, do a face mask, take a freaking nap. Everything will be fine, I promise. In the end, you'll feel happier, you'll be nicer to your kids, your brain will work better at school or at work. It's just a win-win situation. So find the time, 1 hour per day. The next instant mood lifter is to simply go outside. Breathing in and enjoying the fresh air does wonders. Slowly inhale and exhale 5 times in a row. Listen to the nature. Maybe it's birds chirping, the wind blowing, or maybe it's cars, maybe it's people outside. Whatever it is, simply being outside gives you a sense of freedom. If it's sunny outside, that's even better. You can get some natural vitamin D. As much as the world pushes sunblock, natural vitamin D is so good for us. And it's also really good for our mental health. Many people are very, very deficient in vitamin D, and they don't really realize that unless they get it checked like through their blood. So I'm not saying I'm against sunblock by any means. You definitely need to put it on. All I'm saying is to maybe let your arms out or your legs out for like 15 minutes every day just to get some natural sunlight, natural vitamin D, and then yes, either go back inside or put on some sunblock and enjoy the rest of your day. So after this video, you can maybe watch some of my other videos, but then go for a walk, maybe sit outside on your deck or your porch or your yard or wherever you are and just soak up the outside goodness. The 7th instant tip I have for you guys to be happy is to be productive. It is seriously crazy how much happier you feel after productivity. Even after I'm done filming this video, I will feel a sense of happiness. Don't get me wrong, I enjoy filming, but after I accomplish something, I just feel happy. So I really do recommend waking up early and just trying to get as much done as you can in the early hours. This works better for 2 reasons. First of all, in the morning, your mind is just so much clearer, so it's just a lot easier to accomplish things. Secondly, if you just get everything out of the way in the early hours, then you have the rest of the day to enjoy and be happy. I know sometimes it's so hard to get going and actually start moving and doing things, but honestly, I think the worst part is just the anticipation of doing it. Once you get started, even after the first 2 or 3 minutes, you really get into a groove and you really don't think about it as much. And then it will be over before you know it. You'll feel productive, accomplished, and happier. So I just finished filming and I realized I completely forgot to end with my final thought. And honestly, this is the best way to instantly feel happier. I kind of wanted to send you off with this final thought. All of my other tips and tricks were very focused on doing things for yourself, but this 8th bonus trick is actually doing things for others. When you do something for somebody else, it could be something so small or maybe something bigger, but either way, you will instantly feel happier. Buy somebody a coffee, maybe get someone a present, something they've really been wanting. Maybe go to their house and help them do something. Give them an extra hand. But I think us as humans, we have this natural tendency to constantly look at our own lives and think about what's wrong with them. We're always thinking about if we just had a better job, if we just had more money, if we had a nicer house, if we would look better, then we would be happier. If we just had these things, then we would finally be happier. And I think the root of it all is actually our mental state. We have to choose to be happy. Everything else doesn't matter. Helping others really matters. Being kind, being nice, choosing to be happy is really what makes you happy. So that is my final thought. So let's just cut back to the end of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy my real and instant tricks, then I would love for you to consider subscribing down below, because I do make a lot of these videos. I really do take pride in my channel for giving you real, actual, tangible things to do in your life to make a big difference. So if you guys have any other tips out there of how to feel happier, then comment them down below. I'm sure so many people would love to read those, and then also I can get some more ideas, and maybe I could have a round 2 of this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. YouTube loves those interactions, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!